Are you struggling to keep up with the vast syllabus for judiciary exams? Wondering how to improve your time management and exam strategy? Want to know how to study smarter for the exam? Well, you are at the right place. Live Law Academy has launched the Judicial Service Examinations Preparation course. Live Law Academy, established in 2021, has already conducted over 14 courses, helping and guiding hundreds of students. Now, the Academy is venturing into a special course designed specifically for judiciary aspirants. First of all, let me tell you that you will be taught by retired judges. Yes, Justice V. Ramkumar and Justice A. Mathew. Justice V. Ramkumar brings decades of experience as an advocate, judge in the lower judiciary and the High Court. He is an author and has written articles for Live Law previously. Justice Ramkumar will be teaching core areas of criminal law. Justice A. Mathew, who retired as a judge from the Kerala High Court after serving as a district judge, will teach key subjects in criminal law, including the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita and the Bharatiya Sakshya Adhiniyam. In addition to the judges, you will be taught by 4 experienced faculties, including a dedicated faculty for the Hindi language. This 18-month course will be conducted online with English as the medium of instruction. The class timings are suitable for both students and professionals, with weekdays from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. and on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Over 40 subjects will be comprehensively covered, including major and minor acts, general knowledge, legal GK, local laws, judgment writing, and much more. The full list of the subjects is available on the Academy's website. But wait, there's more. As part of the course, you will also receive free Live Law subscription, case compilations, doubt clearing sessions, mock tests and discussions, and mock interviews. The fee is affordable with easy installment options available. Even better, the Academy is offering 25% scholarship for a limited time period. So if you are serious about a career in the judiciary and are ready to put in the hard work, we can guide you every step of the way. The course starts on 15th January, so make sure to check out all the details at www.livelawacademy.com and enroll today. For any queries, you can contact us at 73928 81880 or email us at judiciary@livelaw.in.